Right. We are at Jason's garage installing a new muffler on 2013 800 GS. Right now I have the stock. And what is that, the one that we got the name of? LeoVince. LeoVince is the name of the one that we're gonna put it on. You wanna hold that? You wanna show? No? You don't make a good model, Jason. Alright, this is a stock. Jason's gonna rev it up for us a little bit. Now hold like in 2 RPM or 3. Alright, so that's the stock. Let's see what it sounds like with the other one. Alright, so it took a while to get the silencer out and it's kind of hard, but now this is what it sounds like without it. Hit it.
You start this thing.
That's it. Alright, holding it 2 RPM again. All right, now it just